So you can see here it's on version 2.5.5, and weapon sway is one of the new features I added with the update, and you can see it's not there. So with updates to the plugin, not all files change, and if you changed a file yourself that was not changed in the update, simply updating through the Epic Games Launcher will override that change. With this, you can keep those changes. So open the engine and create a new C++ project. You don't need to do any code, you just need to compile the plugin. So once that project opens, you can just close it. Now you want to create a plugins folder in the C++ project. So now you want to go to the plugin in your engine folder, which will be engine plugins marketplace, and move it to the project folder. And then what you want to do is delete intermediate and binaries. Now what you want to do with the updated files you downloaded from either Google Drive or Discord, you can copy that to the game and make sure to replace files. Then you want to open the plugin file and change the engine version to your engine version. Don't worry about this last number here, it doesn't matter. Even if it was 5.5.1, you still leave that at 0. And then delete binaries and intermediate for your project, and then regenerate project files. And then you want to open the SLN file, and then you just want to compile the project, which will also compile the plugin. Then you want to move that plugins folder from that C++ project to your actual project. And then just open your project. And then you can see the plugin version is 2.5.6, and you can see there's weapon sway, so it is updated properly. And if you made some changes like adding a socket to the skeletal mesh, that will still be there.